Hey guys, welcome to eMath. This is my third video on SAT question. In this video, I'm going to show you a technique called PIN, which stands for Put in Numbers. For some SAT question, it will be easier if we sub in real numbers for the variables. If we insist want to use algebra to solve, we might end up having more steps which are more complicated and the answer may be less accurate. Let's see how it works. Okay, for all numbers a and b, this a circle dot, b equals to a times b plus a plus b. Then we have x, y, and z, which of the following must be true. And we have very complicated x, y, and z. Okay, this is the reason why we swap in real numbers for these variables. Because our brain is more familiar with simple arithmetic operation than this algebra, which is abstract. Okay, anyway, we will sub in x maybe equals to 2, then y equals to 3, and z equals to 4. Okay, then the first equation, on left hand side, it will be 2 times 3 plus 2 plus 3, which is 11. Then on right hand side, we have 3 times 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is also 11. So, equation 1 is true. Then for equation 2, left hand side we have 1 times with 3, then plus 1 plus 3, which gives us 7. Then on right hand side we have 2 times 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 1, which gives us also 7. Therefore, equation 2 is true. Then for equation 3, we have 2 times 3 plus 4, which is 7, then plus with 2, plus with 7, which is 23. Yep. Then on right hand side, we will have 2 times 3 plus 2 plus 3, then plus with 2 times 4 plus 2 plus 4, which is 25. Yeah. As you can see, the third equation is not true. So the answer is C. Okay, fine. I still insist want to do it algebraically. For the first equation, we have left hand side equals to xy plus x plus y, and right hand side equals to yx plus y plus x. And remember, cumulative properties of real number. So, two of them are the same. Equation 1 is true. For equation 2, on left hand side, we have x minus 1, x plus 1, plus x minus 1, plus x plus 1. This part here is actually differences of square, which is x squared minus 1 squared. Then this negative 1 and plus 1 can cancel each other. So we have plus 2x at the back, which is x squared plus 2x minus 1. Then on right hand side, we have x times x plus x plus x and minus 1, which is x squared plus 2x minus 1. And two of them are the same. So equation 2 is true. Then for equation 3, we have left hand side equals to x times y plus z plus with x plus y plus z, which gives us xy plus xz plus x plus y plus z. And on right hand side, we have xy plus x plus y plus xz plus x plus y, which gives us xy plus xz, then plus we have two of them here, okay, plus with a 2x, then plus with a y, sorry, this one should be z plus z. And as you can see, two of them are not the same. Therefore, equation 3 is not true. Alright, that's all for today. If you like eMath, see you guys in the next video.